8839. The most common method and generally the best conduction of heat from the inside of a cylinder barrel to the cooling air is accomplished by A. Machining fins directly on the outside of the barrel. B. Shrinking on a jacket or muff of aluminum cooling fins around a steel cylinder sleeve. C. Machining fins directly on the outside of the barrel and shrinking on a jacket or muff of aluminum cooling fins around a steel cylinder sleeve on different areas of the barrel. The correct answer is A. The most common and generally the best method of conducting heat from the inside of a cylinder barrel to the cooling air is by machining fins directly on the outside of the barrel. Machining fins directly on the outside of the cylinder barrel increases the surface area exposed to the cooling air. This greater surface area allows for more efficient heat transfer from the cylinder to the surrounding air, promoting effective. 8840. What is the function of a blast tube as found on aircraft engines? A. A means of cooling the engine by utilizing the propeller backwash. B. Tube used to load a cartridge starter. C. A device to cool an engine accessory. The correct answer is C. The function of a blast tube as found on aircraft engines is to cool an engine accessory. The blast tube is a duct or pipe that directs a flow of cool air towards a specific engine accessory, such as an alternator or generator. The cool air helps to dissipate heat generated by the accessory during operation, preventing overheating and ensuring proper functioning. This helps to maintain the performance and reliability of the engine accessory. 8841. Which statement is true regarding the air passing through the combustion section of a jet engine? A. Most is used for engine cooling. B. Most is used to support combustion. C. A small percentage is frequently bled off at this point to be used for air conditioning and/or other pneumatic-powered systems. The correct answer is A. The air passing through the combustion section is primarily used for engine cooling purposes. This is because the combustion process generates extremely high temperatures, and it is crucial to cool the engine components to prevent overheating and damage. The air is directed to flow over various hot engine parts, such as the combustion chamber walls and turbine blades, to absorb heat and carry it away from these components. 8842. Which of the following results in a decrease in volumetric efficiency? A. Cylinder head temperature too low. B. Part-throttle operation. C. Shunt intake pipes of large diameter. The correct answer is B. The decrease in volumetric efficiency is caused by part-throttle operation. Volumetric efficiency refers to the ability of the engine to intake and compress a maximum amount of air-fuel mixture during the intake stroke. Part-throttle operation means that the throttle is not fully open, restricting the amount of air entering the engine. This reduces the volumetric efficiency because the engine is not able to intake as much air-fuel mixture as it would at full throttle. 8843. The undersides of pistons are frequently finned. The principal reason is to A. Provide sludge chambers and sediment traps. B. Provide for greater neat transfer to the engine oil. C. Support ring grooves and piston pins. The correct answer is B. The principal reason for finning the undersides of pistons is to provide for greater heat transfer to the engine oil. The finning on the undersides of pistons increases the surface area in contact with the engine oil. This enhanced surface area improves the transfer of heat from the piston to the oil, allowing for more efficient cooling of the piston and preventing excessive heat buildup.